so bad. I'm bad. Call me Mr. Throwback. I'm about to throw you back into the creek and let you know, never let you leak in the dead. Not living is bread, but folks, don't you know, this is what I said. Once I get this rap shit, I will let you know what's up. I will let you know what I come from. Stand up, live it now. This is what we gonna do. Punctuality, puncture you, punch your ass in the tooth. Live it up, nah, live it down. Cause y'all niggas out here clowns. I ain't on no stupid shit, letting these hoes know. I ain't on no stupid shit, I will let you go. Bye-bye, see you later, I don't want to see you. Don't hate her, nigga, for playing your, I will be you. That nigga, that's who I be. I will punch your ass, I will punctuality. This is my punctuality, I live it up. Can't do nothing but shit it up. For all these dudes rap about what they giving up. Hey, I ain't giving up nothing. I love the world. I love the Lord and everything He's about. Everything you can't see, I will come at you. Wow. Yeah, slow it down now. I'm about to take it off my dome and let you know this is not my phone. But I will pass it back to you. As long as you want to have it, hey, you can have it back, boo. But I will let you know this is mine now. Hey, you got my number name now. Cause we got my money in the game now. I done put a lot into this in this car. All this shit. Yo, I ain't trying to do this no more, but I hope I can give it up and do up something that's for my love for my kids. And boy, I love them dearly. I will let you know I don't smoke weed, but who wants to know that I smoke weed? So take this off the track and not live it back. But I will punch you ass, Alice, live it right. Yeah, I keep saying the same thing. That's all you hear in niggas rap. They be saying the same thing. But what they gonna do without me? What they gonna do without Steve? He do his thing, but he come off slow. He be saying same things, but over and over he would get back at you, and over he got your back at you. Don't be need anything, just let the girls know, and let the man and the people know that I'm here for you. So I gave a man a ride tonight. What he was doing out at the gas station, I don't know why. If your pain and the legs hurt, you need to get you some help. Man, you gotta get work. That's what he told me. He ain't got no job, but what he do, he don't rob. But I play the smart and I give you a ride, but I dump your dead body over the side and I live it alive. Yeah. You think I'm gonna do that? Please. That's not me. I give you a who back. Nigga, who that? Nigga, hit it with the who that? Beat not rocking, but beat be knocking. If I get my boom system right, I be knocking. And if I get my rims right, I be rocking. Hey, if I get my engine right, I be riding all day, every day. Cause I'm about 150,000 miles up the way. For something that I paid almost 3 years on, I done rode so much, I done been from here to the zone. All the way back to Atlanta, came back to the beach of South Carolina in Myrtle, and I was hurting in Wilmington. Damn, I go anywhere, even Virginia and them. Yeah, I done been up there before, but yo, I'm gonna have to hit you back on this go. So I'm gonna end the rapping in the beat, and I'm gonna let you know I am the freak.